You are dealing with Christ, not me. It's over to you. Because who cut down a tree? Who didn't say be over sorry? Who didn't say be a tree? Who cut down Yesuba? Waba obey you over to action. Who never been in a share? Oh, what is Alahabanso? Remember, oh, one of when we are getting, and now betting was open to me via Akosanasia. What's the Abosum? What's the baby? For who read Jesus Christ to me now? Where's Isua? And who I am fair. Who betting now? Who are the Lucino? Oh, who are in them from a more? Wakuma Bate, who read him and found to a woman. When you saw him, some for Swearing and Johnny. What's this ready? Johnny Flip on him to pay you not to drink. Usuma Busuma die. Namo. One sign, Ama, no. Who put to me as I see Jesus Christ to me, and then I saw one on one tip so. One on a poop was watching it. What's here, no money? So what you say? Hey, Mamma was some fun now. What to buy in the children in young one? I didn't buy, never bounce so. Yes, yeah, I bought now you were free. Who did 70 years? Who could have been the diablo? Sanasia. Who did only 70 years? Who's my bosom? I didn't know. Ah, men, you pressing, done it to Jesus. Sure. If you're not near your son, and your son only 30 days. And so I didn't know more. If your son on board, it's in my new one. Media obayane say obe stop people to not listen to the word of God. But Bible no so aka say onyankopon asafo no. Asamando apuru ntumi ntwifa so. Get this. Waso onyankopon asafo no. Asamando apuru ntumi ntwifa onyankopon asafo so. So what you say? Wono na wawu akwa asamando akwaje wowu ni asamando so safoa. Ede aba. So what you say? Oh, to me, brute to me now. So what you say? Busuma, a Yahonini who could tell the old room. No, I bet some more jaguso. Who declare 9 minutes at Yebi, now someone, one in quan. And now could the baby Canada Tetri. Sanya Manina, and in quan. Only Jesus Christ can save your life. And it is the above. Nesta some no would you walk. Now so small, Busuma woman. You stay back. Na yania ye tiu nyamia samadia konkwam no. Ye be tiu nyamia sam emfan konkwam. Because who to me step against the word of God, it's not going to happen. And see, Lucifer himself, what he has so, and so still ye boy yesudi. So what he has here, what he has so muye, still ye boy yesudi. Now upon in a home naked to every the mower ye be yena. Now they ho. Hey. Sanatia. Sure, when you make a war, media, why in the Maya natural me beam? Nina ne say, or Pesa will sacra. And indeed, or Shana me yard, I'll go down, no, what will hang on me. Said you may me no Babet Nasi. Namidia some no besan broke beam. That's why I'm here. And you may who been a tell you, two didn't mean that. Now be ye at the crew. Now was so said go there and stop people at Pebebida. Now unkwane kutown when you may not test or pump him. Over to me and anytime. So what he has here? Ukoswa one will be can one the boss so near Sassy. And the man wow. Our was some nibba yiki to be kutao. Open to me be a good runner. The only to me will be able to me run a silver mouth to me any Jesus Christ. The name Jesus Christ and no quan bit to my John Quan. And no quan bit to me a bow. And no quan bit to my ye. Because you listen for and to me and stop nipa. So be boy yes to dear. Who be ye get Abba, sister. Come on. Touching it the young crosses some. Touching the better Jesus at chi. No could brown was it. Brown once in the Jesus and Cassandra. Brown once now so crowsha. Also, we are there when the boss run near Sassy was a share. When the Murukumu anyway in Abehuno. Me no be kind be kakra. And Sana Macan, the Onyami each no so actual. And it is for Bible. Mimi near some baby so abay forceful. Mimi found Unwanya bay na yes be found home. Shia, Obiana Namana. Ada will be who will bet 2 and I will bet him what I come them. Ucha initial left and right, Obianiho. Now the soup can be bomuno. Now Lucifer Baba song Sadua I Asamando Wono. I want that men and Nebika was a honor who bread food. And Yasam Ketwa, Intia Bahanum, near the Kenya Miasam, I want to meet Tia Dawakunyan. Oceanami Dinamia Samatete, I want to buy me Facebook, men frau. And once over delete yourself, no free so. That's it. But don't come here and trying to manipulate the word of God because you cannot do it. Don't. You cannot do it. The old Bible no come Matthew 24. You know that time be. We are living in the last days. And Jesus Christ is coming back. We are living in the last second. And this is not the time you dear grow. This is not the time you joke around. This is the time bibi kutaone enya kotochne. That's it. us ABC. This is the time. Eya humboaboa ahusiesie na yeye. Eti so obi oti ne fie ne hwa ye fi. So what you say? No one say oba benya hoho. Oto ne bo asiesie fie because what na oba no o man the time our deba. Until anytime bia was so make sure say if you was siesie ho say de be ya hoho ne ba nanim nkogu ase. So what you say? You go humboaboa so enyasam ketwa yenya ye pese ko heaven ye ni abrio etisa to na so be suma bosom ubeye beye na ye baso a upesa ube stop. Come on asamando opponent me ntwe for Jesus Christ so na ubeye ketekete. Come on, don't play games na Jesus what is so he wa pampam wonna dodo a obi di wasase so ene u minute u hours nyina woni tirim woni ne kuta no na wo bo brasa no. Be very careful. We are living in the last days. And then me pesa to when nishe and baby. Mama kind Bible ninye. Be your Bible no come Matthew 24. Me start here from 8. Matthew chapter 24, verse number 8. Mo amunia dadia mo de call Bible studies. They call they say you sorry ni ade ade no. Me ba betna a privilege for you. No be your Bible. Now so what because it's a ne. So me bisa say how many times in walk off so it's uncountable. To me uncountable. But when it's the time see them pick a Bible up, they don't even want to look in the Bible. But sa trust me. And no more some and a do become consume. Into punwa. Adi we down so a Jesus in the down naso sano. Sa Bible kutawa a Jesus in the kutao sano. Who be who came will be and you're communicating with God. And until you're careful. Matthew 24, chapter 8, verse 8, chapter 24, verse number 8. Or say, all these are the beginning of sorrow. Then they will deliver up to tribulation and kill you. And you will be hated by all nations for my name's sake. Remember this. Or say you will be hated by all nations for his name's sake. Nidino adausuno amama nyina beba betawo ye be hito enyasem ketwa. And then many will be offended, will betray one another, and will hate one another. Many will be offended. Then many false prophets will rise up and deceive many. And now some ketwa. Say you should be echo yet moves a default to for so dominate here. And now some ketwa. Say Ubesha will be a person soon Jesus. Who money the cream Ubenya Tamfo and now some ketwa. Yebe hit too. They said the last week me buy here, me back can crow near me video a free war. Yet my Kenya me some. Now with him, stand your way and have it. Because the Bible never come Matthias here. And I saw my message. No man ban me deliver, and then no man problem. But me baby deliver say woman. As some ninya fan from am say wom. Who will be ye free one? Who na who problem? Me dear, me we me juma. So what I say? Was say many will be deceived. And now to near. Utu musa omo kuta unyamia sam kron no. They were omo ye few. But omo dada nkofo. Edu omo ku jemuno. There were many, plenty. And yasam ketwa. Omo doso. And inti ma wani na ho pa. Ma wani ena ho. And 12 no say. And because of lawlessness will abound, the love of many will grow cold. Was say. And mumu doso. And inti bebre do anu bejo. And ne yenshe. And yeno kresu nipa ni bebre do anu ajo. How many people na ye excited? So how many people and they are excited because you share and you ma ekosona emumuya adosun enipa enka no kre ye yusu awrade din edi bokrono edi boapo edi fankofo yirenom edi tunru tie ye nuanom a ama nipa ne bebre do anu adwo enya asem ketwa Into obi pom pese obesom Kristo biom because of ni bi odi ne ti Kristo di odi aye no di obo Yesu din okuta Bible di odi aye no but me catch us say enyu mo okuta Bible ni nyina na ya Kristofo enyu mo si wo mo si Awurade nyina ena ya Kristofo nti no say enyu mo si Awurade nyina ena benyankon wo se dane du obeka se firi mi soko wo wanya de etene nipa ni bebre kuta Bible ye buru Awurade din Yesu enya asem kitwa but enya wo mu nyina so what you say dodo na de ni din ekuta wo ma no keke obetia wo som bosom pa beya dukuru no nya asem kitwa wo so ne tia wo nyame asem but wo kohia na obebo Yesu din Bible no di ago be ko to bi so what you say enti no enipa ni bebre beya sa enti nipa bi ebe hwe ne omo ye ho nti ebe ma omo do anu adwo so for pa bebo ne kro no enti ne do anu bejo wose mumu yo bedo so enti nipa ni bebre edo anu bejo and a lot of false people omo pa no ma ba grab Bible no because omo hu say nipa sum ye omo hene o ma me nkokobo Yesu ni din ni bi na me fa me nkoji sika ni bi ni se nkofo bo Yesu din omo ye yie ebi de da omo kasim omo hye nkom kaka omo nya wei nti obo hu obi kuta Bible no akoji edura be hye ase no o deceive nkofo nti obi tifie ene so won kwa so kubusa no se de sofu bi di ayeme so what you say wo se mumu yo be doso nti nipa ni bebre edo anu bejo so what you say onyame nka ho na wodo anu anyo 13 was but he who endure to the end shall be saved. Afe osase the obejina upon all these things na ekoso upon all the false prophet any emumuya do so nti bebre do anu adwono upon all these things no ose the obejina kosie wieye ono na obeje no nti sa wo wai wo kwan mu a wa faili enne se wo kukuru Kristo gidi ne koduru baby ne nsowe bi ba oso amani bi ba na wo wai wo kwan mu a wa faili se ekoduru mre bi na obi be twese kan wo so se deny Jesus na wo deny Jesus a wonjuma wo ye nyina ayakwa wa faili so what you say and nti me sraw se so wo mudie mu gina ye na Jesus he is coming back very soon so nkoji a wanya no mu ye enhu wo nkonkron re so Awurade mu ye no no nko a enu betumi ade agyew because we dey kan ka kiro se emumuyo ebedoso enti bebre do anu bejo unso we dey kan bo kokko so what you say enipa ni bi ni din beba abedi atro obi de ni din beba abeka nsem obi de ni din beba abebo apo obi de ni din beba enima bebre be koso me se wo be hu se sofo osiwo o preachi but uko ni mu a ebia niema oye no etumi ma wo djojo kura na wo se me nsum nyame yi but we dey kan kire say hwe yi because many ebeba omo de ni din beba false prophet omo beba be ye niema bebre eni nti wan hwe yi a you omo de be ye woni nti no you will deny Christ so what you say eno nso nti na ye nwie na me say enkan 14 no medru 40 also and this gospel of kingdom will be preached in all the world as a witness to all nations, and then the end will come. Wasu unyankopon asemu yi ye be preach ku wiase afana nyina unyame asemi betra ku wiase afana nyina all over the world baby kura yinim kura se omo ho unyankopon asem bedru na sa nkofo we nyina beti nsem nyina bi eno ansana ewiye no beba enne wo de fo ni to fom hwe unyame asem spread ya spread yes and you be wo WhatsApp yes and you be wo Facebook yes and you be wo Instagram just be bia kam ye sa wo be fa bia no wo tu unyankopon asem even boni ado so asasi so no still unyankopon asem spread it say the petro ato bibim na eja no enam gidi enya asem keto so what you say o ma asem na ko wiase fa na nyina no wo me kan chanza wanti so what you say last me share at the say Facebook so e kuro bi so sankofo no mo hihye ntade na o mo hihye nsumade akese no ma wai wo manum e de nsumade ahihye hyemu ni ade no wo mo nte kasa bia nsu yenya wo bi atumi the Bible adru ho e ka wo mu krum kasa no e wo mo totinwuram ah mi se predias ese moa omo de nuase a omo ni kurum kura but unyame asamadru ho. So what you say? We nyina kire ye say Jesus, he is coming back. 15 was therefore when you see the abomination of desolation spoken of by Daniel the prophet standing in the holy place, whoever read, let him understand. Was the moment chiwadi ebo mine? I would give for Daniel can wasam. Say jina krum bia. The walking kind mumanin tiase. And neshe a chiwadi ebo mine. And no be sorry. Not gay fool you no more your wedding. And no be sorry. Not lesbian fool you know. Ye shall my wadi so. And no be sorry. No be a puppet and impeachy. No chimpana. And no be sorry. No so for my meto. No you be kun. And no be sorry. Just a newma and some fata. Or babesia kuta microphone. Or tunium our puppet and him. No yin saint to go. And newma be pray. I would you want to see. Was this a moment you are dear about mine? I would give for Daniel can't want some. Say it's na krum beer. The walking kind. On Tiasi. A chef say, a young and I may know your woman. And the young should say, ye did we see a baby asafum. They say, ye did we say, Uncle Christopher, ye need we say Nick Chaka, because the Bible not can't try say, and my yen no we say, and I near me who we say, let's be do we see. Na ejane doni ni mu na di wo wiase nyina eye wa kono asetremo ho enfreja no efro bonsam ba se yentu ye ni hwe yasafom ye frɛ ye ho Christopher se di yesi do wiase this time fuoni to fom ne gate fuoni to fom ne hwe eniema wiase ye no eno na ye frɛ ye ho Christopher ye chensi wo mo Bible su bi be ya abode fofra eniema dada ni nyina twa enne hwe eniema dada na nke yesi nka atwa mu no se wura sori dem unhu Kristoni ena unhu wiasini ye nyina ya edesai obi besi o se futu fried rice ya mix ya bom. You don't see the difference. So what you say banko obi free wiase eba Kristo na hu na wo se utumi identify and say no, this person o ye Kristoni because who pia bonte na uhia sojani na tade ma hu so ye sojani uhia nurse ni na tade ma hu se wedi wo ye nurse ni uhia police ni na tade ma hu se wedi wo ye police ni eye sanati o uhia kremoni se de waya no ho no e kire wo se wedi wo ye kremoni but se uhia Kristoni you cannot identify say we o ye Kristoni ana o ye wiasini because ye nyina ya tuabom Obia into you can't tell the difference. Koko kan obi se nyamesum de yesum na komam. But me kan tell say de wani so no. De wa komam no, eno na ba ni so. De wa ye wo ho a wo de nam no, de wo gine wo wa komam no, eno na manifest abonten. Because before nsa na obeye bibia ma na pia abonten, wo di kan gine ho. E kasa kirew ansa na epia abonten. If you walk with them, who fat adiation, who cook row closet now go fat adiasha, who check out adia now, Bessana, what Jenny Timichro, or walk out without Ketason, who to me the white Jenny planet adia or bad fashion. So what you say, but a nayan shake, se Christoson, a tour boom, there is no difference. It's a woman Christonino about whom to mean check away, where Christonia Navias, and yen tour boom, and Tadia de party, I say, and one ye deco a sorry. So what you say, Bible nature say, Jezebel cry, Nekekan and him, Ekekan and sa, a yen more, a pentina him, and so ne, ube shears of mammy, Midayana will be a momo. A lot of women here, they call themselves evangelists. Me busamu says, I'm man who be Facebook na. Most of we evangelists na Muslim be Bible. Into my Bible in country mo say, a Jezebel, and the neck can him, a yenitino, a shan more Bible into one you could munruana. Munya nusa area wana. A muna mutu a more treachery. And did your moya muhin, a baby no be back Christo mo, or to me a sister. So what you say? And ye be a chiwa dear bomb mine a kujina crumbia. So what you say? Was not some a me and you be free, me and Fabin come. What so would you do in your mere cheek? Ubetina see a preachy, obey bibia. But what can come when him? Why you make up? What pinty one? At the end, identify my difference between who any wiasefo ntam enti wo ma afi no mu ba Kristo mu na wo mu kuta sasu no e die teachings na wo de be ma wo mu yakoka mo se no de nka ho meka me kyerɛw se oba bia wo tie asafum a wo da so penti wanim ekeka wano ehyehyɛ eyelashes ekyerɛ wani echi nyi tuguo ekeka wanim ehyehyɛ more no me say heaven no wo nya de a wo me se wo nkobi ei mami no to wo bu atan meka me kyerɛw me na da me na da wo da because untumi fa wiase ade emma Kristo sum wase munnie mu no Onyankopɔn ham wo kyerɛ sɛ wo no Onyame ham wo kyerɛ sɛ ne bomore no ye no wanye ne ye ne ka so o ma ne yetenten no okeka so blue red black white yellow green sa na opesa o kyerɛ no opesa wo kyerɛ Onyame sɛ o lip no ne ka o sɛ wo ba no okeka no purple color e de ma sa na opesa wo kyerɛ Nyame opesa wo kyerɛ Nyame sɛ o eyelashes ne ka o so hyehyɛ ne yetenten kama opesa wo kyerɛ Nyame sɛ woni ntoni no e wo sɛ ko ɔwerɛ na wo penti ne kama enti me bu sa ma na mo se mo ye evangelist no a mo kuta Bible mo ti Facebook preaching ne sɛ enti mo Bible no aka kyerɛ mo sɛ mo penti mo ni mo na e di asɛm ɛna mo Bible no kan e fa Jezebel ho me bu sa mo na mo ye mo confuse nkofo se nipa ni bi nim ɛkɔ mo fa sunsum awurade especially in Maya na omuba Kristo mu no because obeba beto sofo maame no na sofo maame atwere ne nie chi nyina to ogu no wa penti ne nie chi nyina na no mo ready da ha ena mu preach kwa muso mu moduku yakoka muso mu yimuti wo se oba preachia kata utiri so anye sa botikwa tikwa na wo kan kwale sakola sa no wo pese wo kyerɛw enye de wo twitwa so kakra no eno de ye style so what you say was saying yes abotikwa kwale yesa enti ebinum say omo yi wo muti eni nti omo beta so mu pichi omo moduku but wo be community na wayi no ye style waye no so what you say enyi onyame asem ni nti na ma ni tumi ka koyi niti ukoka no mu buafu enti me ya na mu fa Bible no to mo na so na mo betena tena Facebook na mo baba mo numa na mo ho ya me sere kire se minim de mo de kire wo mo a wo mo ba Kristo mu no minim de mo de kire wo mo I don't know me ti wiase no na me ye adwuma o salon me adwuma no eno na ye me profession me adwuma me ye no me ba Kristo mu no Bible so de ono na nyumfo ham onyumfo okuku onyumfo okuku be ka kire kuku nyumfo se adai na wanyi ni mi say enti mentimi no Onyame ham that means medjuma na me ye ne me correct Onyame mistake me sorry a me hyehyɛ nkofo mɔwerɛ me sorry a me penti nkofo nim me sorry a me kyerɛkyerɛ nkofo ni atini ɛna Onyame asɛm awo ne me say this is kind of things maame no toa mani nje ho ɛno nti no adwuma no ma running away wonim keka na nim keka nkyɛn me de na madwuma no na me ye professional me kuta ho lances asika na me sukra de me de no na nya kwankyɛn salon na motetim ni bia da bi me na me ye adwuma o 5-star salon se wo krom me adwuma mu me nkwankwa na me ye tuntum me ni girl ba ko we half gas ye me nu pɛ sika na me je no me ka kyerɛ wan hwe ya wo sika ni brenti Onyame klobo kokose gya adwuma na nya de abegyae. So what you say? Some sum Nyame na mon sum no 100%. Come out. Ma yehu sampa. Sister Adwoa was sakra. Ma yehu ne sa. Ba me metre Kristo e me ye kotrobo je. Di entia me kasa e ho me bo bebre ne se sa adwuma no na ye madwuma me ye. E na Kristo hu aburu suntime gyaye. Enti I have every right. So obi bia o friend ho evangelist. So for maame I will kuta Bible. E preach wo Nyankopon asem. Sa wo koso de sade ne ye wo ho. I have every right to tell you say it's wrong. Yenje Jezebel na wiye e de na siye. Wo Nyankopon kum no ma enkrama na wiye ne nam. So what you say? Wono ne nipa no penti nanim eye ni tiri ho style. Eye hihye wig ni akese. Eye ne more ni ade. Na dey na ye de Christopher afedi ye kofa de say Jezebel custom. And esa de betene Christo mu. Ni ye de be kyerɛkyerɛ nkofo. Why? Ubeshe ebe onwa. Ubekase mami no to ade na ubuate because tenene ebu adeboni aten. Dia wo ye no menye bi no. Mitumi ka ho asem. Tenene ebu adeboni aten. Eni te na me ka ho asem ne no. Eni te dwane firi ho. Na me na me ye adwuma no agi musika kese. Me dan efiri ho. Mo tena Kristo mu from 19 kojo ho. Ugo ka yesi wo bada ben. Ade na wo de wotimu dadada. Na wontumi hu Onyankopon achiwade. Na still a wo de Onyankopon achiwade ka no. Na wo pia bonten na kokoto so obi bo adwaman a. Wo so wenu de omu ye tutufo. Wo mu be kogem. Wo abra wo tu Onyame na ase. Ade na achiwade wo so wo ye vomit. Wo se kotubudwe. I will spit you out from my mouth. Ne wo be hu sofo maame. Woso ye sofo maame wono no kuta Bible teaching nkofo ade na wonim teaching na won teach yourself. Why don't you teach yourself first? Why don't you teach yourself first? Enye miniska ti shanko na ye boni o wonim na wakeka no bisi no a wonim aye huhu ti sefuna ye kode da no no so huru free ho na yi wegi no to chene ne kata utire wo fa ni die ma Christ kata ukunu so na ukunu ne Christ ntimi nya baako kata ukunu so fa ni die ma Kristo ne kata utire so kama na wo mawre na waye no grengran no kotututugu ne ye wanim clean se Kristo ni ba ne betra se ne preach ni ba anya sa onyame de wo be ye sambod bas no be lodu so ntinem bi me ka me kiro me nada enite me hu musa ya no mo hu ye me nwanwa pa Muhu ye mutina Kristo munyene. Mumu biya tina Kristo sumu 20 years, 30 years. Oda sudu Onyankopon chiwade kan. Ye hyiawa hoso ye evangelist. Ye hyiawa hoso ye sofo maame. Me busa wo se Bible na hifa na ya wo read. Tell me. Hifa na ya na oka. Enti se wo nkonkon pa na ti mu a. Wo do preach na. Enti ko nkyerɛ wo se maame ade a wo ye no enye emfata Kristo. Enti ko nka nkyerɛ wo. Enti dia ade ne yede kyerɛ wo ma wo pese wo ba Kristo mu no ade ne yede kyerɛ wo ye be kan sem bi se ya na mo buofu because mo to no eno ana mo ye wo se di oni papa na wanya do eye bone man di oni papa because wo Bible ne da wo na so wo preach every day no bone ente say da so e wo ho enti obi e wo hwa wo no ho a wo fi se eye normal wo se sinti dia 20 years nie wo to sankofo ni tinti wo kyerɛ wo mo say it's good for them to do it sa anything ne asori dem ewiase ye ho ma no ewiase ye asori dem ma obi anka no kore because of maame no obeka no kore no o ye bi sofu papa no obeka no kore no ne yere emu no wote so what you say wo mo so na mutie wo mo sofu maame a Bible dan na so me pese mu kona mutie wo mo na ukona sofu maame akeka nanim na wo de wig ya hye no won kata ne tiri ho a e wo se mu de Bible quotations ni bi ekogu wo mo ayi na se na mu ko tu wo mo sa na wo se mo ye no mo se yenya jimifo ye ma mo mfre ye ni mfa ye nkogem ye ni ate akaka krabi na Yesu Kristo aba so what you say nti so obi tiwi ase no so de openti nanim openti na no wo hyehyehye mowre na wo a wo te Kristo mu a wo kuta Bible a wo preach no the same thing na wo ya edi na wo ensakra ye be na bam yes so obi be ya abode foforo ne madada ni nyina twam enti ne madada na wo de betena enti die na kire se wo be ya abode foforo ne ma be na twam wo life nothing je wo tia na wo tie ntubo obese o mami no to ade evangelist foi o mo ba no mu preach on me feel because me show ho a me hu se wo dada nyame wo ni Kristo wo ni wakoma wo you show off senkofo mehwe that's what you're doing hunkokonte mu because hunkokonte mu he will rebuke you because hunkonkon etumi kasa tere me mami dwane firi adwuma every 2 weeks me give $1,000 every 2 weeks o mami dwane firi mu e wo Jesus Christ hu na buru suntia na wo a wo kuta Bible na te o na so preach every day na wo so wo a wo no wo kokoto e de beke ka onim ko tua ho sika no wo so wo ntumi nya ya me busa wo se honhom be na drive wo sa no honhom be e na drive wo sa no what kind of spirit e na ti wo mu sa no what you say? Agro. Yesu niema bi o Nyankopon ti wei nti wo obegya na wo de wonim ebeye usesini wo se de won ne nyumfo ham okuku nyumfo okuku beka che ne nyumfo se ade na wo anwene me kukuo no wo mama ye flat kukuo ntumi ene de onwene no enyi ano ba wo de wo ni onyame yi ano wo kire onyame se woni echi ni no blind now or draw no and get fat and to who pesa uchi onyame se wonim nyansa chen who pesa uchi onyankopon se wo kan se wo bo ade nyina wo ni nyina obo ade nyina wieye no ohun se ni nyina efe ade ni nyina ye fe wonani so no who pesa uchi onyame se da bi em se ne nani abo na ade ni nyina enye fe ojabi wo mu ene ne so fo mamefo nti amanipa no mu fra bonten ebeji Yesu Kristo adi no wo mu ba hawa live life because we be sorry them hodo we gine gu ni tiri so na wo so da ye boni ahun bi be ne da enye me enkoso won life mu no obi ba be dura sorry them so wudwane ato Christ no obi du na so for mame ne we gu ni to so what you say obi du na so for mame wakeka lipstick akeka nanim apenti nanim ma nanim ayehuhu se funa ye kode da no mo so mo ho ayefe me say so Nyankopon pa antena me ankyere me what to do na me nim se saade no he so woni bie hunhuma famu a enna hu se se nima bia ne yi no wiase no ebeye tan ma ebeye tan a wonfa nye hwe ye de chaw kura wompe makeup no kwa de bia na wonto de ne body me ye selection wo Chanel me busa pencil ba ko pe e wo Chanel say pencil, black pencil bakupa ye de 2 yeni etetena sisei no. Black pencil bakupa no almost $30. One pencil, ukra di bia na cheap ones ni bi na ato. E do sika e koto sanyema we ama ne sa de wakoto gem. So enti nipa na wo bedi wachi so oba asore no. Oba ye no nyema ye ni wiase no. Eno na wo ye ho. Ti sister no betena asore dem a no ye for so nim di onye. Onim de onye because na tade no yeso bi be ya abode fufura nyema dada ni nyina twam no oba yeso fu ma mi hye bi de te ho nti wo ye osi o ene tade no kranya bone no no so ahyase ehye no wo hya ma na traso ene ye de tete ho mami woni twia wo so oba ebo mpa ya kata utiri so oba kanya mi asema wa fa wig de ahye ene wo betena se no wakaka no more na mo so mo ni efura muntia na nyame wo manti entimi nwura ya no mutie trosam ne yadan so mutie asam na I was asam ne bowura so wo hye de kai check nipa na on o preach kira wo no check sa nipa na ansa who said ye ne ye bia ne susitie ansa no watie no because ni friend kwan ya wo nyina yira wo obelidi wo de wakogem maame na wo preach no ne wig go ni to so no a wakeka nanim kabisi ne no more no o lidi wo de wakogem I'm telling you because the oil no and na wo be hwa na ye bie ne de wakogem sane ye chema ya ho fadi be ye fa we makeup no so kwa me ye bo abre one time misi bi jaye no mahu se hey ni nyina wo side effect side effect. So what you say? Who ewia se who nya fa na ho nya fe. Who ofe so na ho ofe. Ju nya me abo bia fa ne sa. Ne fa ni die ma no. Enye makeup na be ma ho ye fo. Enye makeup na. Makeup ni wani ma e ma wrinkles kra ma wani mu ntem. Because obi a wo ye makeup bia no. Sa wo so be koso ye makeup na wrinkles e ma wani mu ntem dia. And they say every 2 months I was so going facial treatment. Yes. Now saying that who nyama says fie. Na di biara da wo kodwane bia wo dia ahuru wanim. Eni me busa wo sister kwa wo pesika ko si dan wo Ghana. Wo be de wo sika every 2 months akoye facial treatment. Unya. Enti nyama wo de fa wanim ni nyina no e ka wanim no e the wrinkles e ba wanim abesai wanim. At the age of 40, was when you am one. And funny, my papa be a maya brabum. Obitimi mi wo salon obitimi ba. Utumu de nani e be penti nani be wi. Ofisa no ho ayefe. Obu ho wo sori akopa utumu se we de ne nkoyi. Obu ho nani echi no kra no enwi no kwa won hye de ni bi osasete mami. Obu ho hye de mowre de aye osase ye mami. So what you say? Ye hye niema we nyina obu ho nani echi eyelashes wo de hye no kra mfata no ose ye no tie sika. So and so ne yes ya be ya body foforo ene madada ni nyina atwam me say ma me fo na mu preach on Facebook no me nyam na mbe frɛ ne wo wa na bai asam no se meka ne se wo mpa we no anse wa block bi wo delete yourself because nyam na me frɛ wo me pesa me ma wo ti ase se honhom be na ti mu a wo di preach no ene na me busa eye what kind of spirit ene ti mu a wo ba wo de betra se preach kira nkofo no wo abra ne madada onyankopon kasa against no woda so tim woda so ye na o se nkofo metie Yesu do wo ka kire nkofo nti wo de Yesu no wo ye sambod meboa wo ye sambod na wo bokwan ma nkofo so mefa so nko Yesu wo na wo de wu akohye sana wo ye Kristo ni kan bie ni hono ma wo di makeup ebe self especially wo mu mkuta wo nyame asem e preach nyame asem especially mo preach wo nyame asem enti wo de nipa no wo abonte ye fa so ndi wonim so what you say and oye na wo Bible ne da wo na so a wo sa ma wo obodin ye fra evangelist wo ye so for mame obi calling himself pastor hwan prophetess hwan na wo da so ke kan niema we wo wanim enti wo Bible ne kan cha wo say e ye just be na e ye sa practicals no Bible no kan enti na se mo pese mo kire me say me ana me ye adwuma e wo salon ye sa niema we nyina bi na me gya ye no me ye jimifo anoto wadi wa jimi o na da wo be hu Kristo na wo so wudwane free salon madwuma ye ene me no wa anka adwuma ne kaminya yo sika wugie pa anka wunya ka wunya e kire se wo do wa no fafa ene di Yesu Kristo ti wa koma ninim ene to tie ma ontie o da mukasa kwa mu ya nkru hunu na mu ye dede mukasa kwa tumi because nyame nkonko betena nipa mu obe rebuke you wo dresse said you see dresse wa fade said you ye wo hu ni nyina wo check you before said na wo be free wo fie wo dem e pia bonten no wo dresse wo nyame nkonko check you enya sam ketwa enti se wo da so ekuta Bible na utumi nya kokoduro e penti wanim e hihye ntade bia wo pe e de wo gugu tiri so kire se nyame nkonko nka wo yes wo nyame nkonko nte wo because what to oh sister me say can you will never spend money buy makeup that our life God be that nan kan pesa odi akeka wanim ena obese obi si mi preachi obeda ne nsase ya ne more ready da ha wakeka na no watoto nani achi obi wo hono me no me kohwe nimtuni bi omo friend say o Esther PSC o PSC Esther so Esther o PSC yeah em se sana mi din wo chani tin wo cha boy obi wo tunya me nyumo wo cha boy dia ton chen na ta dia shano eninsa entrani kotodwe ene wo si wo so no no ye gospel eburade Satan kro ma antonyo mano Satan kro ma akwan ma metonyo mano Satan na nkampese onyankopon ya na mo hu ya me nwanwa mo hu ya me nwanwa papa ene ti so obi ti wiase a no wo hye sister yi di oye no ho a wo se na Kristo sum no kra che sen nti aden ye fa ni die kakra ma Christ aden and ye fa ni die kakra ma Christ no wonder so ayi at the say wo kan no Matthew 24 chapter 15 ho wo se mo wachi wade e bom man say jina konkron bia say di odi for dan ye kan ho asem na ye walking kan won ti ase eye chi wade e bom man yo na nka oba wo tu nyamenyom etimi yi ni tipa boy to ntan e sha tadi ni nsa na tadi entra ni kotodwe e ko transfer fefe ni se ko ye interview so ono no to nyom manyame minti ase So for mommy ukuta Bible, et me pintin the more so, eke canano, where na niechi, wa bra ya canto se Jezebel and the practices had you, and Tijani Fihu, et to me babet no yebi, and Yabuto Yamu wa bra hunkunkun rebuke dear, and your sister, na minimum cradi yajuma. Minimum da, minimum cradi yajuma. Ahum so muyaminu. Others say you nyame honhom and I obon some honhom. Which one is driving you? Tell me. And you say adina wo ye no me ho adwuma my master. Na me ya ade nso so. Sa metina se pass me correct wo nyame mistake jai. Na me ya ade ankasa. Na me ye good wo ho. Sa wo mora me say wo de opa. Catch me say wo ko party asumesi next week. Atade asumesi na obehye. De meye wo no mo wure na be ma na mache. De wo ko akoye no enya asem keto. Edinti no mu ni me ho agro. No mu fi se me genius, just me ya de ankasa. Say na me ya de amabonsam mewu akohye. Okay? Ebra wo nyame e sha sie se o kenyan me no. Me say me ko catch o mo say adwuma ni mi jai. Afi boss ne say no. Oh, say woo ye now period. So collect say one ye wa dabi. Wa and that ya crab chamu wa juma the other. Ah, nipa pepper was some dabi. Oh, I will hear your phone call. You're lying. I don't think so. Okay? Because o check it said the manager wa juma any sika meji any ya me ya dia. Ah, baby susu me ye juma ne common. Enye common sa abrofu susu omoye honest omoye generous just wo power sama obecha wade ama wankasa jai enya asem ketwa enti se mo be frɛ me kohwini ana me busa mo be frɛ me kohwini se meti wo nyankopon asem achi ejane free se adwuma nim mo be frɛ me kohwini ana mo be frɛ me se minim nyansa na mi dwane adwuma no Ejuma yitimi buku appointment. Obi timi buku appointment sa 2 years esanso sa. Say every month no obe humia. All the way 2 years. No, that's so my system. Say every month and every 2 weeks no obe ba me nchen. Every 2 weeks me hu sa 2 years no sa buku another appointment. So what you say? Me ye ejuma no for almost 10 years. Enya agro. Na me ye good so me we experience ye ka so bi e we experience me ye good wo ho nti na me say nya achede obi kura oba me nchen no oba no start to aduane ne drink no de abra me emu lawyers ne doctors enye fichire customers almost up pemasem edru Christmas achede aminya no enya agro. And so when you nachi, Christo who abuse so say, so be by your body from your mother than the chamuno. Me by your body for Sunday when you know jump our my life. And it's a sofa mammy, and your mother de chamu, now that's so editable. Now say Yaku could read the Bible to now so who baby preach actually in your Aye. Minimum cry driver. Minimum cry air driver. And it is a cocoa sorry them. Now cocoa to say, give what to I mean, show more dear so. Men found some wooden soon because you can't you what dear Bomaya. Who saw your first class? Who saw ye be? At the so be preach it here gay. Neso funny near to them, Anando. Sanity. At the so be preach it here lesbian. Neso Bakoto machine, the fun one jo. Obabesia. Sanity. And it me person me busa mo say e die be ho na mo sacred free mo kan trem because mo confuse you nia no mo ba Kristo mu no wo mu e kwan no fa do na wo mfa ta they don't know which way to go they don't know and it did for me sram samo mo Kristo for padia mo hye Kristo ni munyam mo hye de ene de mo yam ho no emfata Kristo no obi hu mu a wo hye Nyankopon ni din because wo se yenti ye say awade din wa mamam ene ti mesraw memma wo wonti ye say Kristo din e wa mamam don't do that ne nkoye me dwene ho a me hu de me nka woni mo wege sha na nim sha nche me de na me pam me se wo beba me studio ha no me de ma me de da ne studio wo beba ha se no wo beto se me pam ade nya atade na me pam eye wig na me pam me ti me pam na me piece me ba na wo se wig hye unya bi nto wo ba bia because me no me de ne ye custom made me na me pam enti se na wunim wig wunim wo hye ntame me kura de madwuma no me gyaye so what you say na wo ku tue sika ma obi e ma ne ye ma wo na wo san ko gem me dwene ho a me ntia se me dwene ho a na ye me nwanwa me hu die ntia bible ne deda mo na so mo si mu preachie wo be kom so obi na no abrofo bible wo be kan wosa enya bible ne kan to me be na to mu air drive wo sa no Bible no di obekenkan yo but to me be na to mu air drive wo e preach chenkofo which one is it so for mama pa obekọ sorry Sunday on kata ni triso ni nyina ne se ne wig ne hye no ne fata no ni makeup na wa ye ni good eni nti obekekere wig ne gu ni triso wo kire wo nyame se eni na ode ma wo no mi busa wo se wo ko han wo bi fie no obo ne dan so nchense a ubekọ kututu wo behind I know ubekọ ko fan ko fosi ye mpa nchanse na fa foforo boso misiku bi tu ko be report wo mo police nti ade no nyame abowo wo se ye na sorry dan ye mu no obetena ye onyankopon sorry dan ye mu no ote na onyankopon fia wo tenem na wa ye wo nipa dasani na wa bon nchanse gu tiri so na wo ka chi onyame se nchanse wo bogu tiri so no enye eni ti wo beko koto wege na dia be fix onyame mistake. What kind of a person are you? Na wo chichi onyankopon wo kire ne se wa ma wo yie obi so to make kan animu nyina nso no attraction emfata na ba ku say mo de amfo mo ni ntufo obi betuma penti na nimu ya nso hwe na nimu ka ka mo to bi kura mfa no obi kura wonim onke kan na nimu no kwa no ho fe chan say okoke kan na nimu so what you say obi tanke kan na nimu no na ne ho fe chan say okoke kan na nimu en ye say nti so obi firi wiase e ba Kristo mu a ekoye onfaso enti wo ba no ba bete no kure no wo ba bia say na asem ne because wonim dodo na ye bi onyame asem so se mi mfulo nipa dodo ye ni nipa dodo chi nkoye bone nti nipa na doso na nkofu di wo mochi no moye obi ti asori dem obo mesh pa na djuma no o ye djuma na nya sika o wi akotua so ntutuso dudu wo say ayi the same offering me say onyame besa bobia aka ho o de no me besa toso because wo djuma na wo ye no enye djuma papa for Kristo ni so what you say wo kokore ti ni mistake ko toto nkofu nyi so ko kire o mo so munyi ne gu o muti so ne nye enso nam sesika wo de bebo afodi nti osofo nkan ho asem da yen kan chensenye en wotim wo wi wo yi sesika na ebi tua tutusu dudu obi te wonum otonku ankofo de sra woton peteshi ne store wo bie mpeteshi gum eno no woton enso wo wi a bosome no so a wo yi peteshi ni sika ne bi e ba be bo afode e bi tua tutusu dudu mesi unyame no mi bi be ba wo so ma wo be da dem be won wo di sika na masofo ni no mo nka no krenchew wo sika no unyame ni nso enu be bia me kam chiro enuru be bia wo se fa won sa ye adwuma papa Christopher ye wo ye enwuma bi ho no ma Christopher nye eti so obi a wo ye Kristo ni no o ka ensaka uchi nsaka obusa no se media menum wo ma wo drive na wo di supply wo mo na wo mo no ne kire se wo ye chief crusader so what you say enwuma bi ho no ma mfata Kristo me free mo bante na me ka to iti bo na wo bo no ma bo bi pen minim de me mfa me nsa we nye etina wa hyem no ma hye bi mu pen we ge no ma bobi nesi na wa keka no me de madwuma no me ye professional metuma yi me lances e de a kyerɛw me ko tua sika so America na me ko school enya se viketwa me di ho sika so papa enso nam se nam fat ene onyame asem boy bra ne ntino ankosi hwe enne me to na me su se me sua adwuma bɔne se kakranse sia ne kutami se na me nim se e bedrum me bia me onyame abeye mi sei na me de ko sua adwuma bia nka by now ka me da so di so mfaso enam se ye adwuma bɔne emfata Kristo nti me de sika ni nyina wa dwane but wo te wo sika wo gie nti usu ntumi nya me megyae wo kra bi kwa na wo salon no e ye kwanchan 1 pound enye hwe me de me salon ba bia na me ye adwuma me de ho picture be kyewa wo be bo nsam enya sam ketwa ba bi susu na wo no esikafum na wo enya agro so what you say na me ya de me kwa de ne increase me price uba na wo more experience ye increase o prices enti me fancy so be ye makeup no wo $100 na me bi koye makeup a me meje abro $100 because me wo experience na me ye good nti ye jumpo me sika meje ena me wie so a de maya ma ne ho na wo be hwa ama me tip asa tipu me account enti bia na otwe mienu ne nso ye na me frɛ dwuma ma ba fi na cash kuta me no enye bi nie so what you say and enti yesebo mo chichi free nsu yese be ka tro se de nchema wa ye nye na chinyi enti so bi be ka sa asem yi ho asem a eye me anoto me tie yi e na wo se me ka sa asem yi and enti so for mame fo a mo preachie amu gya ya somoy amu kasa na yesu do mo preach no mo ni kan preach yourself muntie dia nkonko eka so wonu pa na mo de ne ya adwuma dia mo mre mo so ase no won kasa nkyere mo anya sa na humboni bi na mo de ya adwuma e na mo betum futra gu nkofo ni e na mo be pontu adwamammo ene ne mafie gu nkofo so dia enye mo hwe yi because Bible no nipa bebe nyi obi Bible no kuta ne bia ene wo frɛ Awurade and until we have to be careful. Ebraso se was ye kan kre. 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Onyame say yi kire me esu ya soja wo. Esu ya soja e shiba. Eja da esuru nim. E shiba enya gro. Enya sam kitwa. Bibia dia dan se Yesu ba biem. Na me am say Awurade wo jimi to the sense say sa area ha no onyi nkyere me ma me nka ma no ntu mu da oyi kyere me bia me be ka kyere wo oyi kyere me bia me be ka kyere wo se de me ya wasonko ye den so what you say me ka kyere wo say we ge ma sister ko tuogu any trousers any makeup akese o de bi kra wo to no £1 me no double ka Christmas ba be ya o be Black Friday no me ko page na kese set na me dia be sisi ha me sisa ni nyina ko tuogu trousers wo kwa wo de bi na wo trousers no etina na to bi Ghana for no ye ya yese me en trousers wo bo so the trousers se no e bi kwa nu $5 o sha koshi yet the ebi nam $500 but yes sister ni nyina kotugu so what you say and no ne yesi wo be sumu nyame wo bre waso asia ma onyame asem who you obedient is better than sacrifice me se me bo me niema no dem ha se dan wo ano a ko be kasa ebekasa obi dia ba egu me so me fa we ni ma chechire Mrs. bag Satan na minim se me betena preach ka me twitwa ne pictures di guwo Mrs. San bag me di gu ka mu me sent to Kano from this neighborhood to different neighborhood ko tugu se be ya men konkofa enya sam ketwa se me de calculator to ho eni mama to ogua Kristo ho aburu suntia enya sam ketwa enti Yesu Kristo wo ba ni mu a o mani mu with half now we hold on with something else no I was so come 100% open ye mani mu e me so bibi mu ye mfa bibi mfiri wiase mbam eni me wo wiase no ye packing to go but ne Obi so a Christoni, or so a sofumami, where you say, and near ma when you make us against you, and no one will practice it. Because it's handsome way, yen preach your puppet. There is no way. Sasa fubi jina wakacha say, okay, kawanim, we, or to toano, we because we turn near asafuni na the same road and womoko a plus near and into one to minka. And tis a moment to your coin, near Cambia, Muntie. Na media Jumano, Mikutamu, Lances. Nema misika sopa. Enyagro. Last na mege, obi o mamiano chwa, you dress nice. And yema mata guon. And yen yamaketo. And ya fen me fesika kosto koto niemo. And tis a usha mata dibi a seminary or just a woo koto, ukubashu sikao. And yema mata guo for so long. Because no mean you can fu. And so send me no in a mayhem. And yasam kitwa. And it me slow me poucho. So throw who in a minipa. So for my me, evangelista. Johnny Free my bonny home. The bay no one who said, and they say, Bema, our evangelist. Waboduku. Asha high heels. And the skirt yakahon. I could not saw them so preachy. When was the last time? And the other nurse of mammy, who to me shed trousers. Ever tenacity, I can go on him. And you tell so who preach at Rinamema. Who are you preaching to? Ntatia kwa womuntio. Who preach to go, Uncle Hun, and a woo ye did it. Uncle Hun, and a woo ye did it. Because one casa, I was so sacred ourselves. And then me too many shine to foya. Mo Bobby Bree. Say Ghana for him to phone. Ubaya no be able to Facebook or preachy. Ubaya the wine and nims is the kakam to be. It will be Kana or Mudi Dukuna Sabo Kakras almost ring a meal. So Mudina me who fell. I gave a two bones was said to Dukuno. No was up pentin and him. It will be a bone west or the Duku Kakrabo. I gave a two bones was said to Dukuna. They cannot be stable. To me, yes, stable. To me. To me, yes, stable. And so we come no, woman a muti woman. And so we lead him to Jim. Or better now, and your mom pay my home, and this is the time we have to pray hard. Or be pigeon and son. No, we are dear when your men penny yet you are dear. And no, what ye and Saturday and Nim. The thing you mere tem. But now, sister, be preaching at some comfort for one sacra. Wabra one cassa who preaching. You need repentance. That's what you need. Was so tunya menyum no bob ne trousers no huri tisa akatani ba akoma kanu say you difference between mu and Beyonce yenim was so tunyum no who share video miss last me to na me share video no bi and enkankan man he said the aje gon say the aje gon nti motuma so ma ye free wiase etima babe obey the rules. No more mutim. Musamu ye ministers muto nyum. Mushesere mu bom bra. Yesu Kristo babiem. Osisi hu echi wade ebom man. E wo Matthew 24 chapter 15. Osisi mu hu echi wade ebom man. A wo difo da na ye kan ho asem se gina konkron bia de walking kind no onti ase. Se echi wade a mudi kan urade. Musa betena se fefe mo se. Se mu preachi, mu di onyame wo fa mu di Jesus atem. So what you say? And then obeba, ebi na obeba wa nkekananim. Boso de duku kakrabia so. Nso pedan sa bonsa ne more. No kasa, obeka sa de betu boso wa ye wa kekananim na duku no so mmono. No madane adada ntoma. Et da o feel so bebo duku no. Hypocrisy ne ba o ene de em say yi e Christopher no mugua pa o. Ene de guess no mbeheme no. Em so mubobo duku pa o. E ye duku fo ni bia. Ma me fa duku mo no o dada ne ho. Adia beche ubese hu no preachi duku monitor so osi kata ukunu so abofu nti kata ukunu so because this ukunu ukunu yoti you can say ukunu onne yetire nti ne yese mabema e bompa e mo nhyeche when was the last time who could do a song them who was so soft or check our digital puppet and preaching? I just say all to for you, Mukute Kutampumea, almost so chet is a poppy, or Mona yes, almost the anymore bobre. Others no Mokahon. When was the last time who could say evangelist, say be to say me Bema, evangelist Papashi? When was the last time who say evangelist Papashi a preaching? I was check. One of the wedding ranoso, see a Bema preachy, and now a bompire more and cheche. No, or banso, a bompire, no can you more you need to so. I didn't remember any dim ranoso, no young man, ye say, yet the dim ranoso. Yes, sorry, I need your teacher, you didn't so cacra. Was it botikwa, tikwa, sakola? Some person tre. Some person you tell so the ani ko yitini na tugu, menya ba ku kra so, sakola. Ni wu sampa, who do nyame asem so. But don't play games. To say the Esther OPS you someone why be what trying to pay boy. Aton time na ta di ni me na mo hia na mo kantre no. Mo kantre se mame no to ase. Ye wo ye nemfata Kristo. Enfata Kristo ba ko sei. Obi hia no hia wa. Onyame bebu sasa di pa no mo jafri ho. Enkoye. Enu mo nam na obi aye di ope. No mo so na mo fans. Me person me chiro say we yebem ni we. Jesus is coming back. Onitifo bi adwane. Enyo mo si awrade nyina. Ene be kosoro ahememu ne mum. Di oye agya na pede. Di oye agya no na pede. Di onyame pe no di oye. Onu ne be kosoro ahememu. So what you say? Edin di ombeba bebo ombeke kabi ebi akọ school Bible no beba be wi saguo quotation obe flip be 100 eguo but to me wo mu yese onu ankasa asem no wo de bone ho bra na otie. They rebel against the word of God. You must have it now. I can come winning and I say you and at this time we have to do this and we are no start cantons. No was some cantons. Hey, Coco Fountains no he. Home Coco genuine na inimno and I you musia Libya. Who could see you? Because they say yes, tons no musia. Mumu bebe musia. And did you musia Libby because unim say ye genuine tons na unyamede channel sa gift no. I unyam coupon home concon what the chenny be pa and go be check you. Nka make up ka fa bi ni woni mu da anka trousers ka wo hye bi da ka wege ka fa bi mu tiri so da ka wo nya bi da enti wo ben no and drive mu a mo di echi wadi betre nyame ni mprechi mu wi a mo san cartons mo ko fa firi he when na de ma mo. Who are you fooling? Why na we play the games san ebraso so was see ya hie ebraso so wo be yinuna yinunu wo be yehyeso ayehye wo se kotrobo dede wo ye vomit. I will spit you out from my mouth. Onyame woni in between, oni in between that said the word atono one fan to wa onu wo bika enti se Jezebel ye kumunu mankraman we ne nam essay no tafiri ni moja wo imitate no e no be yoden and na yeti sorry them na sadi we nyina aye futu fried rice of about bese futu fried rice and the fra na yedi tim ubehu obi na wo hye na wo yesei no untumi kukudu be na de koka be na tu mo de koka. How can you say this? Untumi kanda ni yeda da binum o sori no ye bibi ne nkoyi manope wo se say dem se me ene ma nkoyi o ma memre me ho ase menyame na otena se na wo de duku turbia na wo de duku oboniti obe preachi obe kasa na onyinya nanim ti se funa ye kodeda no obe kasa sa na say na obe kan mo me ye hu yo Yesu bo nso chi wade no de to wo yi dwamanfo bia nten to me first class o that day ready. O that day ready. Wi omu kotonyuma omu sakoye niema. And then you need to hold my what be a meet na me penyum pa. By you need to hold to me bo I want to see. A sound to say conco. To me be a free mumma or to the trasa. Banyum ni bisu on ma utumu se ay onyame honhom di him na monnam na difo atrufo ye mukuta bodia awuro edi se comfortable na befa coat ahye na mudi wo mochie ni ye supply mo oil akese na mudi bi dware na mo num bie na mudi jawa sori dem mototo niema kofie ekoye niema sa enyi mu bebreye sa enne no krasa ewo yasafo no krasa wo obeba so obeka no kre no omumune omudi kum omune won nyaw obekum nipa dodo ekwa sori enne me pesa utu wani hwe wiase na uti mu ade bia ekọ na wie ya na ese enra me hwe news California eja atokuru no omusi a destroy niema be almost be 5,000 something over enne nipa ewu nipa no de omuwu a omo de kakra bi omusi nipa 15 ewu mem de bia CNN menye omuntu omo tete so Shinsu fa nkofo ene jasa tiesim na hye nkofo ejapade woni abre a wo pa woni abre ni ma boni onyame mpe wodi kanu no ija tomu ma hye wo se nani be kwa wi ya ye beto okon ne akosem asase wo so enima bebre enima nyina na yehu ne deska na nsemo hu Mexico asase wo so ye ejiri nkofo daigu eni nipa ejiri gu wo so eturu bia na hete Italy ntimo nteni maibi enti nipa ekosi die na yemfa nkyere wansa na wabre waso ase etie Jesus edie na yenyi nkyere wansa ansa na wo se ebre ye wo mu ne yemre boni nti wo se wudwane to Jesus edie na yemfa nkyere. What else do you want to see? And na mo hwe Ghana nkan filling station e ubeti na jadi wom e janete said the popo asroche na kum nkofo omu wi no mu de beto you guys have to pray for Ghana so bye na Ghana ama Ghana team nti ama Ghana wasakra because we yankopon de won tie de boye fo mpai ehunu mpai boni a wadi e wonu hu no eno no nyame wotio wo betran no wotio we be rade menum ho fa me boni che me rade men yeso ma bosom fa ye boni che e men ye niema ensem fata ye bo adwaman ye niema fa ye boni che ye neje da ben na amaga na akọ ni nkutu dwenim ko sre boni fefere wote boni nim uso ko sre onyame so wo so mfa ne dia ne mankraman ma wo boni nti wo hu wo se kan nsa nye tia se so oje na so nye duru se tia sem na so ye boni nti na sie ni onyankopon tam kwan ye boni ye tim nti no si ye tie mu a wontie wontimpo so what you say to be in Ghana se wasakra ni busa nipa ne sai edete Ghana memo masakra omo masakra nso kwa yifi omo nya misoma kwa yes America for ene ya asem to America ni obesu ne ya obeti ni sio owia ososo kende ne flowers ade achi obehu no oteba otwitwa bi owi ne petashi de wonum siga enum de oye party akese eye they don't care. So what you say but se bebre ye ho ase ne etie nyankopon na wo de aba asase so a enche osoro ne asase eba bebum na esoro we bedwane oja ebete ama nipa kwabra ne tumika no se betie no a ne ye na pede a nke beboa. No wonder so be sha se free ni fie. No wonder so de atemu no ebe sha se free ni fie. No wonder because wo mo to so mu preach no echi wade no mo de ka papa no mama at the age of 50 45 60 anka nyamia ye wadom Bible to make nkan wo be tra so wo preach so no waye wonim se kaka mutu bia so clown enya gro na motete wo se mu preach mimi ya mentemu kesi o mi shomo sa na ye mesre because munde munyimfo ne ham munye rade ham mu kire ne se wa mu yie sa na mu kire no mu kire rade se e kakakra ne ka so ma mu mo reye tenten na ka so wo tetem ni achi na ka so ma nyi kuguma wa mu na ka so wo totomo no purple color green yellow blue red na ka so ye sa Ne goes or shamu, Mrs. of my maybe to a preachy, or born any prepare to Mr. Eyelashes, no what she say, Ununya Mayhem. The glue so eyelashes. Who you have a Bible, so who preaching go for? I don't get it. Mentiasie, and teach them a dear bad dear was the same free home. Near my dad and nature, never dear him. Because you say near my dad and nature more, if you be a bay for what to be yet watching, who also be a near bay in a one, na who she, na who see, na and coye. And to which one, and a more jam, no can tell me. Whom bay, and I know what the preaching, me person. Which kind of spirits? And I am a demo preaches. Me person made me crow. Whom ben I am canton son from Muno. Which one? Me person me who? Because it's a genuine no. Aye. Wonder why? Wonder why? And I won't see you. Wonder why? Make up on a cow fat. Cabaya what you are you. Nka ube sorry for bag wash wa motum na wako saloon to saloon akutu omo fuse omo ne onyankopon ham na nka mpese wonya kokuduro akotena wa penti wonim ne wonsa uwie ya watch bible ato na so se wo preachi akere hwan ukoka wose na we so de mi bekogem na wo de wonim se de wo bekogem. I hand time the many pious how. A hand time something you to listen for back from. A hand time here. A hand time because you upgrade yourself. I deal with me, yeah. Because every time you do things like that, and my wabeti peja, we are hand time. What you say? And my peja umu, we are hand time. Sana yo. Me too was a wagging me three so me different. At the moment I'm in the way getting able to meet it. I make it come and me got different level. Me chimney mukosro. So what you say? Because me who say menya extra beauty. Sanity. And it me sram me pamocho. Media ubia wonya me mobo. Sesa so for mommy for na mo bab. The bay and one was so for big general preach. No was so my dear. Apa boy atoa asade chache abetra Facebook so preach them obi. When was the last time? Nka wa na nka ai na dia no watch dey so fu be nie wa ya boy bi edan ha wa ya nsoma dia hihye no wa ya de wa ya no ho ai wo sa hye ayi o eche nka ya keka na de ne man de ye dia eye normal e man de ye dia eye normal. Why? Remember, ni di mran so ye di yeni so because ye pa ho fento aso o pese ne ho ye fe obi sister of mama na obo mesha gu ni tiri so be ne drive o sa e di say this of mama ni yifru so nem fata o ni ye mfata so of mama onyame woni me ka me kiro because woni ne chimanso woni ne ham woni ne chimanso enyansa me ketwa o kire ne se di oye no wanye ne ye wa mo ye sa na pese o kire eni nti na wotete wani achi ehyehyehye eyelashes no eni ntia eni nti na wode niema ekekeka wani mbebrebe no eni ntia enu nti ana wo pansi a wode kwa asori abrante wo twetwe da wo to so eni ntia eni de yese dia betom nse wo hia abrante Sunday anopa wo se chale mi chi church aba okuchi church Onunu kuchi church, okuchi Yesu aba. Ampaso kuchi church because we could not stop them at to pakro be bunu what says kuchi church. One found this at the university at to pa be bu hono excess ampa okuchi church. Sanity ne pants no ya abet bumuno what to me at church at the atone to wa bra sa ni boxer shorts no kra no e painting bibia enya kono. So what they say? And yes, I'm ketwa. And you did so. And ubia aya di ope. And so be an no see ready. Ubi an no see ready. Ubi an no see ready. Me jun one. Na me would ya menka. Just a yama or munya me ready when you confused. A binum want to teach your person who are confused. They don't know what to do. Ubi be ya body for and your mother than which one? Because me kwa sorrow. So for my men me no. What chin him come? What to the near chi? In fact, why be say? And now grow eyelashes here, and we are senami ya. Me shit to me the kobo tutu. And we be them bias of mammy. Me kwa show them wa. Me coca come more. And once be the house of mammy woy. Into which one they are body for. Into your manco phobia, you're confused. They don't know what to do. Yes, it was a name. I said Deuteronomy 22:5. I can so ban shall Berman shall badi. Miss me will be a senami shall Bermadi. I miss but me ban so for my new dear pop in the preaching. What shall Bermadi? And it's which one is it? It is sister Netawa. No, I am confused. Sister Netawa. No, I am confused. Who you on? Yes, Nicholas Christo ni was sacra unyankupon with dear or dear man so best thing kundiasra. And so koyano, so for my minute one was try say goom. And to which one? And sacra ye ben the member sandipan, and yin I appear to a fra. Into which you be when just a wound who crash with Christo ni. And kuye. And yet it's here ready. Yet it when you're meal. Yet it's here ready. Ye chirani di onye, ye chirani se netamu unyami susu wansasa. Unyami wasasa. Unyami na fititi nyankopon. Ye san wada sotie on change. And to want to me for changes be a mewradimu. Emani. He will never accept that. Titi minyi ni se Mary tama Yesu Kristo e de say abofo ne call no say onyankopon adoma ba so be wo ba bia ye be friend Jesus no minyi ni se na Mary hyehyɛ eyelashes a wakeka na no enso Jezebel tam no na sa de ne be wo but she didn't do it. Yet they want to money bia they didn't do that. And why and a fedi Kristo som aye te say wiase aye say club obi aye de ope. Everybody, they do whatever they want. There's no difference. Nti asori ni kujinumwa, safu sunya di obeka no kore because wo waso den. Nti o meka no kore nchiro. Obi tumiko safu medwuma ne nkoso na nse nkofo ma. Ai se me yedmo salon ho. Na nse omo mo hwe wegi no mo. Weda na sesenti omo ma. Na nse nails ni kora yenye binye. Na so foot me gina na so bompaya ma no se nails ni makeup adwuma no ene wig adwuma no enkoso emma no no oni bia bebo afode ode ukoje but you don't know me dem betna me kan okra na chiro. Jesus is coming back again. Was say in my natural me biem osuru ya soja wo enya sam ketwa na nipa tu bi kana ade nso asoja esuru na soja ti fa na ukura. We are living in the last days. We are living in the last minute. And many sabre we are humboa. And Dibia Becancho say, we and Munamia Sambobra, we and Fata Christo, Miss So Chumufru, now Omo Kono Crania Cacrebi. Could trouble you for the doson. Omone to what they say. It's shit our face to say, or one for employing the preachers be brave, good Facebook. No more that damn call for. Obama be boy yesu dia kansama kase nso na chiwade na wode to. And until we have to be careful. Yenya hweye na Yesu Kristo obabiem. Enche kra. Se me no koda na dwi e na papa ne beba yenim. Until last se me sonda ya na mema ye peke wo mo ye peke nkofo de wo makono na mema ne doso no afi ne mate ase. Because money be brave, you make up on your honey manintino, a bit you move be brave. You nails because you have trumpet ever sound no more good tomorrow. No, Emma so. And yes, yeah, Simu Betcho, be beer, we be full stop. Something bay. And tis a 1%, a bit foul and puffy moi, shall see a poor boy. You are so beautiful. So without makeup, you're so when you're knowing him. People see beauty outside. And I disagree. Beauty is what comes out from a person. And then they hear beauty. Say can you move beauty there. And ye kaya cry ye beautiful. No. So what you say? And can ye kaya come? Beauty is what comes out from you, from within. And then out to me share baby, who won the year pa, who to must obey, and yet any more beauty no the what is our ban. And ye inner beauty, and what the what is our ban. A canny moon quadia, and come on when you must send a crankum nebi. And come on come, because I want to know good subampa and koye. So what you say? A package. So one to me and yanny now so who offentia. Me come chira unko babia and the beauty in your makeup. Forget the money no, you're beautiful. Check your home. Sha adibi wo memma unyamentina so na rewo na wa mo by mistake. What the adibi amawa obi tinchese na nim afa onibi oni sade ni bi enti ma woni so de wanya na da wonyankopon ase wo ho. So what you say? Da wunyame ase e wo sade na ho. Ba ye ya ni ebu ye ho abofia ye mo bone fo kasa kire o hwa hwehwem na bone fo aka wa hwekua ese for glasses ne chane se o mama wa wani echi se dia yi ka wo che ko suru se ya ka be fata o ba hu sister ne dia no ye fe afi usiwa no abawa dwem eti na kra me appointment ampo you know se ka me why kosra o because I say no nya yi o show nim sa ekuya ne say eyelashes you ye bia party ya mukoi nsa yesa wo betom nsa wo mama wa wani munya fe ti wo ye eyelashes ni bi na okona o motwitwi wanim so na ya tetete wanim ne kama ma eno sa no ye be ye fe so o chest house e ampo won I say no mu ye na o ye makeup no na o de yi ni bi fa ha no show me eyelashes na ebe kama o de highlight ni bi fa manima eno kra na yesa wo twa picture ko Facebook a nse ye fe na eyi ne se no red lipstick bi aba no mo se kama pa ahenti no sa na kama tobi nti wo beke kasansem we akire wo ahwehwe nim nti wo bedu salon o koboka wo wi no wasa toto ne ma di na chia sa dia mafie no wa boka e ka wo boyi sa de na kojem obi hwe sa sister ku party dia se be come on nka biko ye minesi ya matadi kura me she na dano adano me shatadi we ye sa me sa sha nyafe unse me twa picture de to Facebook nti me sa shatadi we ya se kotofofo obedru store honum na dwamanta de nko a o pentem to won to ne boase enko patade a eya appropriate eye modest de bi atade ne bi wo ewa nso ne etwa na wo ema besia ebi wo so 8 ya nso ne wonsa atade ne wo ne nsa nko atumi pam asie ne bi ka ho ye twa atade ntitia na ne nsa ye hodo anki etumi ne material na wo ne nsa ne bi no etumi de to afom etumi bia metumi wura mo ho na me ko hye said your bonnet to tadi go abonten. Miss Utumi shot I didn't be sa Utumu say where kayo, but will be Peter titia. Ebia woni cover the surina come out to say covered. Who Peter out to Miss and Trauco to get and koye. Ebu also bones a Trauco to get near Chan and Sanina, no away when you there go into a bonnet for twist the nema into why you need to for. No one said you see put two things together. The Piaudia the Jani Piamonte. Because in Tadia bus system no and koye. Umu so no more many can almost so light to one. Now I know when this so fair. But it's against Unyanko near Kototo and into Obesha Bakum, you know, done a baller, Negufio. But Obe was scared to come and see from or see where ready furious on me. Where they are ball, where they unkoye. No, Ekoye pa. Because Umuchi Chanta, Santa the phone on the body. That the phones are and on the body. So, and you might be call you, and you might be call you Christopher, especially a ma. You be ye Juma, a brie bojani, a tin fifre, a sako stock or to chiwa dear, and the abaye who amuna me boof ye, ni wa, ya sako jim. Saneko. And inti me sraw me pa cho odofo. Mentao. Yesu Kristo oba. E ye dawuru na na iguso a ye bon. And inti se obedwane afiri wiase a. Na obeye wo ho te se Kristo ni. Na onkoye kutubu je kosie mankwa Kristo suma. Unyame obehu mmobɔ na obejew. So what yes ye? Ye ni kurete woda na emum de eba no. Akaka kre bi na totobento na soundo. Awuko ye mfiti asimu ni enam yo. Ene hwe niema ekoso. To wani hwe fam na hwe niema esisie, niema ekoso wo kire ho ante ase. So and there will be koebusium, just a problem everywhere. Everywhere. In koye. And then you move class say, and then you busium near Makoye. Ubu overcon on any problem. Ubu overco on any problem. Ubu overco on any jum tokwa. Ubu overcome Nasa for team, just and tokwan from every angle. Because of one for who say, a kaka crabina nemras. Me glasses not on much. Me to me name makeup. Inti me se kaka botobia kachre makeup ni manim na no de kasa nso ka say e ko baby bebre obi beka amami no cho ye ka ye nim se de be ya video no kokko akiri a amafo be hu ye nim nye basa enye sa neti is a lie eye die fi wo mu ba no enye de wayo me to mabo me ti o me de mensa abo me natural mabo me ti no so be ha bi ne twitwa ha no mabo me natural ne kama because me huruma na mabo ne kama me sane na mti na yipufu ba mabo ntunse duku na eketwa o manim ena mde tia na okasa me mfere ene nkane no so there is no way se me bo mi ti de net ya hyeso na me de me wig abutu biti. So what you say? But look at me. Masai Debbie. Nti Yesu so mo bonefo ni ho few. Wono na ekire ye. Se hwe hwe di unyame ye enye fe hwe di unyame ye o hwe di wani ma ye hwe di waye si entisa is a lie. Entisa unyame bo se di ope e wo nani so se di ope so hu no sa no waye o. Nti ukofa bibi foforo bia be kan ohunu. And it's me strong odofo me paucho and na fiso so for my phone and let me bomb ho bebre because di me hu na make am me hu mu bebre wo Facebook iso mu pa bia mo fa Bible mo so mu preach for that's good mu preach but me pese me busa mo say de mo ye monim ene de mo ye mo ho mo de betena ho mu bebre mo so na mo de wig abutumutumuti a du kukura mo so mu fa bi nkata muti so mo be preach no mi busa mo sasa mo so mo ya body fofra eniema dada na etwam ne which one is it hum be na drive mo sa no minim se mo mu bebre mo befu na me bufu mi amemfa ho because man kan kura na nkyere mo amenie na se me ka na mo amfa so amawie madwuma because nipa ne bebre ehwe mo sua mo nipa ne bebre etie mo ba omo hwe mo appearance de mo ye mo ho no mo so ade ko apply to omo life entidie na mo ye mo hui. Tell me what is that so for mama enne sakra enne mo mama mo ho abodin ebi no mo chiro de evangelist nyina to so den me menya evangelist na menya pastor me ye mama ano toa a me ka onyame asem nti mo chichi din de ato am so se wo pedin dia enne edin ni for respect emma edin the Jesus Christ is on pen jani free ho woni echi na wotete no jai ne funu ene yeseni de say makeup eye ye womanim makeup ni bi ho ye thick me say minim differences ni nyina me makeup na ye cheap kura mama cheap as kura mama kura ne Mary Kay eno na de chem kura me mpe enso ne obi ye adwuma tisika koto no de be painting anim eko kire Yesu ono susu ya body foforo ukoto se ka dwamansam wo hobi ukoto se preachia wo hobi ukoto se ye ji onyankopon ho asama chinya ono awonie na usamba na brabum na wo hwe se de waye ne ho ene de oya utum so wode na no fafa na da Christ Yesu ba ne onkobi. So what you say Yesu ba ne onkobi because wode na no fafa na ka Yesu Edu Sunday Sunday obeko. Offering no beto ombeje di. Ba obeko akoshe. And inti sa we need for and the one casatanase. Chumabra bumuntuntu. Hundia na meya. Unyame ompe. Na one casa sacra friho. And ma will be mekancho. Na sacra wa jene. Na unyame baby a wushibia o kasa obete. Okosha okuko mbompaya obeti you. Do that. Do that. Na hypocrisy no doso. And the one to phone a musumu Facebook some preaching. Men person me bobo mudin. But me shame for sometimes. One she remember be bobo din. No ma church near ma muye no se enkoye. Muya nyum to phone mo se. Mo na mo to nyum ma Kristo. Mo mama brabo emfata Kristo asempa. Mo especially mo ho siesie. Money chini makeup na musisa gu monim na mo betena sese mo preacher du kukura mo so mo mfa bi nchichiri mutino de obebo du kususu a wapeti na nima akositre ye hu de mo ye yes Bible ne say Jezebel ena keka na nim sa enti wonye Jezebel enti stay away from it na trousers akese na mo hwehwe no a mo de to nwum manyabe no munya hye ena wo ye nwumtuni na wa hwehwe trousers de aye video no sesa no oyi free YouTube ho ne koye foforo ne kututu we gede to chone na mo nsue Cecilia Mafo na mo ya hyam ho bone de mo ye no Yesu wo hu mo ye adwuma no mamofu adufu penti na mo ye yem ho sa na nka obi o to Kristo nyum de de na otumi de ne compare Beyonce na mo nyina mo ayepe Beyonce ne to nyum o ye no ho sa ade na Kristo ni de wo ye sa. And what is the difference between you and Beyonce? Which one is it? Tell me. And I'm see Americans. Americans do want to know say. Americans do want to know say. And I'm more da myself. And I'm more man answer. More say hypocrite. As I bet on Facebook, some more preacher trankofo. When preach to yourself. No cry about cope. Obi an kanchro. So for now, telling the piano. Bible no one can you know, but you refuse to obey it. Was it you nim papa no one and your body man? You know all these things, but remember your food to fried rice. Na mubu bom muni wiase. And now dear son, me make me boom. Come what is the Miss Yabu boom? Aha, dear son. Me fear for me, Miss Awakola. Nkambo se mesi abubum menkasa slow say because asem is very important to me. Important. And it is strong. U makeup na ukika. Nya nkwa na obeye makeup. Ukwa wo de na nya papa. Enye correct. Ukwa wo de no one city de ni bia. Ghana de ni bia cheap as once no. Cheap one ni bi na wo yusu. Nso be yusu akwakwhye. Ye yusu papa bi kra yakoto ogu. Ya ye ho adwuma ye jai. Ya jihu sika kese ye dwabe afri ho na wa wo beto akwakoye ho enne jai otesa stop it na Yesu Kristo obabiem akwa no ura nkasa nche abusuafo no kredi eye bakope manka nche wa menue Yesu Kristo obabiem akaka kra bi na totrobento na bom ebe ye meya se Yesu beba na untumi nkobie e bi so na wo ye good pa ba wade bakope enne bi akawo wa ho siesie wade ba kope wani penti bia wo ye good enye obo mo anyina na nipa ne bi ye good pa basa nyema na wo ntumi nya ye nintino ama obonefo ne wura wo ntu pie ya wo na se Lucifer nie nso bi kwa na onye Lucifer because you obo ha wo penti nanim nso wo ye devil enti me sro so wo wu Jesus a pepa wanim sa nyema ne nyina pepa firi ho ahofento aso nkoye ohu ofe inside out na Yesu Kristo bie nani a ohu na what na problem ni mu ache wo sugu awade so wonti wo nyina so wonhu obeba bi abofo ne beba bi ano ayese kaka moto bi wo penti wanim eni ti na adifo atrofo ne ba na omo gigi nuro eye amko titi wo mo se be ya mo benya nsankyerene eye omo duro na eye mamo enye nyame a because mu no nyame ham nti misramo ni ana semwe onyame de be no meso aka kyeremo omfamfo obiaso ene nti mi da wase se me ba ye utie me